So today we are going to discuss about how to do data extraction using Python web scraping. Okay, here web scraping we are using Selenium driver to extract the data from websites, any websites data. Okay, so first we have to import need to install the necessary library for doing the activity. What you have to do is, I have listed three library here. You just run one by one and then install the Selenium, Beautiful Soup, and WebDriver Manager. Once you install this, we have to here set up the first import the library necessary library from the installed packages, and here URL you have to give the URL data. I mean the websites that you want to perform the data extraction. Once you have given here, you have to connect the Chrome driver. You can use any driver. If you have Firefox or the other driver, you can use that and connect it here I am using the Chrome web driver, and then I'm passing the URL here to extract the data or get the content from the driver. Once the data is extracted, it all the page content will be stored in the data library, and then I have closed here. And let me quickly run this one, and we will quickly see how the data is from the website. And meanwhile running this, I'm going to show you the website data that I used. So this is the website data that I took to do the demo. Here, this is just a blob website, and using this website URL, we are going to scrape all the content that is present here. Okay, so yeah, it is done. Let me quickly print the data. This is the data, something look like this in the backend, the HTML tag. Okay, all the HTML, the content, everything, it is scraped using the Selenium Chrome driver. And next thing is, we are going to do the cleaning process, right? From the HTML parser, here we are using a Beautiful Soup. That is the HTML parser. We are passing our data to the HTML parser to clean the text tag. Okay, and using the soup we can take what are the title or whatever it is, the main content, all the things we can perform some cleaning activity, the text cleaning activity. And once I have passed the data to the HTML parser Beautiful Soup, I am first extracting the title from the soup data. Okay, just we have to use a soup dot find title. All the website it could have a title, so title dot get text, and the strip it will use to remove the space, extra spaces. Okay, let me run this one, and yeah, this is the title for the website. How to start a blog in 2024, easy guide to create a blog for beginners blog. Okay, if you want this is the title. If you want give you a different URL, the title, whatever title that they were created, that will be extracted here. And for cleaning the content, we have to first find some of the classes, DB classes or main, from the that you can do by inspecting the website. This is something data in front end. In the back end we do have libraries. If you see here, we are able to see it, right? When I scrolling down here, you can find the classes, at what class you have to extract the content. Here I'm just giving a container main class, and once I run this text, it will return all the text data here. Okay, and here we do have some tags, right? For that, we are going to use a function. This remove non ASCII function, what it will do is it will remove all the non characters, for only it will return only the character data, I mean the text data. Let me run this one, I will show you. Yeah, there it is a difference, right? You're able to see the difference, the p tag, h2 tag, all has been removed. Now still we do have some slash n means new line that is present, right? That we're going to run using strip, and we are going to use this pre-processing RE function to do the cleanup activity, to remove that slash n. Let me run this. Now we will getting the cleaned text. Okay, that all the pre-processed HTML tag, new lines, everything removed. Now we have to structure the output, right? Now we do have a clean text. If you want to store that data in somewhere, we first store that data in a structured way. We have to create a schema. Here I'm just created a small structured schema like extracted content and the final content I put it here, and the source. Source means the URL that we used to scrape the data. Here we just to have a one URL. If you do have a lot of URLs, then we to maintain a structure, right? Which URL the content is and the title of the URL content. Okay, let me run this one. Yeah, this is something a dictionary key value. It will be stored. This is the key, and the value will be the extractor content. And the last you could see the title. Yeah, this is the title and this is the source. Source means the URL that we used. Okay, if you have a lot of website, you just pass it in a list and create a function. Let me create a, in the upcoming videos I will show you. Okay, and the next video we're going to see is how to do. Here we do have lot of text, right? If you want to use any LLM model or you want to chat with the websites, you do have to store somewhere in the cloud or any other DBs, right? For that, okay, we have to first split the data. If you want to use any perform any AI model here, we have to split the data, because due to the token limitation. For splitting or chunking the smaller data, we will see in the next video. In the next video we are going to create a, we I will teach you how to do the chunking activity. We do have a lot of chunking best practices I will show you, and with the demonstration. Pay attention and stay tuned for the next video. Okay, thank you, bye bye.